Maintain level. You're descending a little.
Yeah. Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Very good. Maintain.
Do we have trim right now or no trim?
No trim.
No trim.
No
No trim.
Okay.
No trim. Let's speed things up a little.
Yeah.
I'll push it back in for you. I'm just
Yeah.
gonna help you with the speed.
Okay, so I feel shaking. Because of this. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it's approaching.
You will start to stall when you hit the black and red stripes.
Okay. When it started the alert, and then I'll do some pitch down to around
Yep.
-5 degrees. So I'll keep the nose a lot up. Okay. So keep doing that until
Stall.
Okay, hold,
Now?
hold, hold,
Stall.
hold, keep holding,
Holding.
keep
Stall.
holding. Hold,
Stall.
Okay, recovery.
Stall.
Okay.
Stall.
That's it.
Keep the nose down.
keep the nose
Speed.
down.
Once the
Stall.
speed is up. Okay. Okay, slowly pitch up.
Okay, pitch up.
Stall. Stall.
Okay, once again, thrust idle,
Stop.
please. Thrust idle, idle.
Idle.
And maintain throttle to 30. Maintain altitude, please.
Maintain flight.
Maintain altitude.
Maintain
Any
altitude.
altitude.
Anything fine.
altitude.
Just fly wing level.
Yep.
Wing level, quick altitude.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Hold.
Hold.
The speed will drop again.
Yeah.
And this time follow our instruction.
Okay.
If I said pitch down, you just pitch down. No,
Okay.
don't worry about the thrust. I will tell you when
Okay.
the thrust need to be increased. And
Okay.
put your left hand on the thrust lever, please.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
Keep holding
Okay.
until you hurt the recovery.
The recovery come from you or come from the aircraft?
I will.
Stall.
Okay. Okay.
Maintain altitude.
Stall. 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 Stall.
Okay, recovery.
Stall.
Pitch down.
Stall.
Pitch, just pitch. Smoothly increase thrust. Keep the pitch down.
Yeah.
More thrust.
More thrust.
That's it.
Smoothly,
That's it.
yes, like this.
Pitch up a little.
Pitch up.
Yeah.
And fly level.
That's great.
That's
great.
it.
That's
That's it.
Yeah.
Well done. So stall recovery is the same with any type of aircraft, small one, single, multi airliners. They are all the same. So basically, what you need to do is pitch down to reduce the angle of attack.
Okay.
I thought you want to put me on full stall and see how ridiculous that comes.
It would be-
If you are